All right, so before we get started doing math on your end, I do want to show you some of the things that are available on Canvas, how to navigate Canvas, and how to access some of the resources that I created and am providing for you. All right, I'm going to go through most of this from a desktop perspective, but I do want to show you kind of what you're going to do if you are using the Canvas app on an iPad or on a tablet. So real fast, here I've logged into my Canvas app, or I'm in my Canvas app, and on the left side I see my courses. And so if you go ahead and click on the course, it will take you to this screen. Now this screen is blank except for all of the links on the left. So some of the links that you're going to want to be able to access in here is you can go to the announcements. I will be posting announcements, but this will also be available from the home page, which I'm going to show you how to get to in a minute. Assignments. This is one of the ways that you can get into the assignments, and we will explore this a little bit later. And the main one that I want to point out is to actually get into the course, we are going to want to click on Pages. So if we click on Pages, it's going to take us to this next screen. This is going to be the front page of the course, and you should be able to access everything from here. All right, so now that you have the page loaded on an app, we're going to go ahead and switch over to a desktop so that I can go ahead and show you what everything is going to be from here. All right, so here, this is looking at the course from the student perspective, okay, or from a desktop computer. So the same thing, you can still access all of those key things that we want. You have announcements, you have assignments, and from here you should not actually have to push the Pages button. All right, so I'm going to switch over. I'm going to point out a couple things. First thing is you can access the syllabus, and I recommend accessing it from here so that you can see the color version, and also so that you can access some of the links that are embedded in there. After class, I will be posting the most recent announcement, and this is going to be the link that will take you to the most current. If you need to see previous announcements, you can access them from the announcements link over here on the left. The rest of this video, I'm going to show you how to access some of the videos and other materials that I have posted. Please note, I'm not going to be talking about how to access assignments. We will do that in the next video. All of our information is going to be posted under each module. So we are working in Module A. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and see what we can do. All right, if we click on Module A, it's going to take me to the Module A overview page. This module is going to be devoted to place value, reading and writing whole numbers, operations with whole numbers, rounding whole numbers, and order of operations with whole numbers. There's going to be 3 primary links that you can find that you can access from the overview page. The first one is going to be the assignment deadlines page. From here, it will show you tentatively when homeworks, quizzes, tests are due, and you can also link to those assignments. The second page that you will need access to on here is if you want to watch the videos. If you go to the Module A YouTube links, you can go ahead and access all of the videos that I have prepared for this module. The last thing, and we will go over this in more detail later, is the MyLab Math student links. These are going to be the publisher provided materials, and that's going to be in the next video that I show you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and look into Module A assignment deadlines. There's a couple things that I do want to point out. Again, you can see all of the assignments that are on here, how you need to submit them. The only thing that I have not posted on here is group assignments, and that will be because group assignments will be based on what we have completed in class. They will be in-class assignments, and we will access them there. Okay, so if you recall, I did say all assignments. There will be no late penalties for assignments, but there will be a final deadline. So as our test for Module A is set for February 1st, all Module A assignments must be completed before the test on that date. There are a couple other things I want you to note about your grade. Please note that on Canvas, your grade is based solely on assignments that you have opened and/or completed. If you have not opened an assignment, then it is not being factored into your grade. Now, the February 1st deadline, this is just when the assignment will be closed for you to do things in. Now, if you have never opened an assignment, it will not be factored into your grade until I, as the instructor, manually go in and change the score. I will usually do that, or I intend to do that, about a week after the test deadline. So please note that on Canvas, your grade is probably going to be higher than your actual grade in the class. If you do not open or do an assignment in my grade book, it will be a 0. But on Canvas, I do have to manually change the grade to a 0 before it's accurately reflected. I will be giving out progress reports over the course of the semester, and so that is going to be the most accurate information. We have a couple notes down here. Deadlines. Deadlines are when the assignments are or should be completed. For homework, there is no time limit. There are time limits for the quizzes, and if you feel that you need more time, please make sure that you talk to me so that I can go ahead and extend it a little bit more. Homework will be due by 2 p.m. the next class period, assuming that we have finished the assignment or the section. And online quizzes will be due by midnight on Tuesday or Thursday following the day the last of the homework assignments is due. Again, please make sure all homework and quizzes must be completed by the day of the module test. All right, I'm going to back up now and show you the other link that we have on Canvas that you'll need to know. If you come to Module A YouTube links, you will see all of the YouTube links that are available for you. And it gives you an idea of what is covered in that section. Now, I'm going to try to not do the exact problems that are in the video when we are in class. That way, you do have some extra problems that you can watch in these videos. And so if you see here, you can see all of the videos that are going to be provided. As we get through, if you are someone who struggles with math, please note that these videos are ready to watch now. If you want to watch them before coming to class, I will be announcing what sections we will be covering each day, so that you have an idea of which videos you should watch. I encourage you to watch them before coming to class. That way you have an understanding of what it is you were good with as well as what you struggled with, so that you know where you're going to want to ask questions. Let's see here. I think that's about all that I want to show you here. And again, if you have issues accessing anything on here, please contact me so that I can go ahead and help you out. Go ahead and make sure that you are able to locate these on your end and that the links are working. And then go ahead and take the quiz that is associated with this material.